Hey guys, it's Bassplay 12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's video I'm going to be doing a play along with a cover. One of my favorite songs is Leah by Toto, and Samuel Holzhauser, I think I said his name right, he did just an amazing cover of that song, and I was like, man, I just got to play along with that song or version that he did. So today I'm going to go ahead and play along with that song. What's amazing about his cover is he plays all of the instruments in that cover, I think except drums. So I just thought it was an amazing compilation of just his skills on different instruments. And I thought, man, let me play along with this song. So today I'm going to play along with his cover for that. And again, definitely check out the cover that he did on that song. It's just an amazing. So hopefully you enjoy today's cover. It's a play along with Samuel Holzhauser, a cover of Leah by Toto.
Still want